Hello everyone. Happy October 5th. Today we celebrate teachers, apples, and the joy of storytelling. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Teachers Day. A tribute to the mentors who shape our minds and hearts. A great gift could be a personalized pen set, a classroom care package, or a thank you video montage. Who's a teacher that changed your life? Let's honor them in the comments. Next, it's Apple Day. A crisp celebration of nature's sweet snack. A tasty gift could be a gourmet apple basket, a cider-making kit, or an apple pie candle. Red, green, or golden. Let's crunch the numbers below. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Storytelling Day. A magical celebration of tales, legends, and imagination. A thoughtful gift could be a blank story journal, a storytelling dice set, or a cozy audiobook subscription. What's your favorite story to tell? Let's spin some tales in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.